fun coming right at you. I know you're going to be so excited. Woo woo. Let's go. Let's look at this first example. I will play it for you on my trusty hand drum. Yay! All right. So you're looking at it. Time signature 4/4, 4 beats per measure. And there are 8 measures. We will do the top row first. Here we go. 1, 2, I go first. Here I go. Ti, ti, ta, rest, 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 ta, ta, ti, ta, 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 ti, 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 ta, rest. Yeah. Okay, you do that with me, please. 1, 2, we got this. Go. Ti, ti, ta, rest, rest, rest. Ta, ta, ti, ta, 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 ti, 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 ta, rest. Yeah. All right, so we're going to do the bottom line. Let's go. 1, 2, bottom line. Ta, ti, ta, rest. Ta, ti, ta, 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 ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ta, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ti, ta, rest. Ta, ti, ta, 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 ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ta. Yeah. That's quite the taiko drumming. Woo! All right, let's move on, shall we? Let's click the next button. Yeah! Simple, easy. Let's do it together this time. 1, 2, the top line, go. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, rest. Ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, 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 ta, ta, rest. How'd you do? Good job. Remember, sight reading is seeing a piece of music for the first time and being able to correctly tap or sing or play an instrument just by looking at it for a few seconds prior to performing it. That is what sight reading is. Now, why is sight reading important? Sight reading is important because the more you do it, the better you get at singing, playing instruments, doing rhythm patterns. It builds your foundation for music reading skills. So very important to sight read. So not only do sight readers sight read rhythms like we're doing, but sight reading gets even more complicated when you add notes on the staff and you have to play an instrument for the first time, which you all will do eventually when you play recorder again in schools. You will do sight reading where you have to look at the note and play it after just seeing it for a few seconds. So sounds harder than it is, but the more you do anything, obviously, you know, you get better at it. So it's not so hard. So let's go. All right, friends, let's go for our new sight reading. Let's look at it. Okay. Quarter notes, dotted quarter notes, eighth note, quarter rest. You know these. Look at the top line. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I use numbers instead of tas and TTs. I'll mix it up. Look at the bottom line, and we'll use numbers again because there's 4 beats per measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Yeah! Let's go next. We'll get a little metronome action going. I don't know if you can hear that. 1, 2, 1, 2, top line, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, rest, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, rest, rest, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, rest, 3, rest. Yeah! Let's go next. 1, 2, top line. You looking? Here we go. 1, 2, top line. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Yeah, good job. All right, we'll do it again. Bottom line. 1, 2, bottom line. Rest, tee, tee, ta, ta. Rest, rest, tee, 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 ta, tee, 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 ta, tee, 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 ta. Rest. Yeah. Let's go next. All right, here we go. 1, 2, top line, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. Bottom line. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Rest. 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3. Rest. I'm going to do the bottom line again because I think I messed up. Sorry. 1, 2, bottom line. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Rest. 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. Yeah. All right. We're moving on. Yeah. Okay, friends. We got a good beat now. 1, 2, top line. Here we go. Ta, ta, rest. Tee, tee, ta, tee, tee, ta, 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 tee, tee, ta, tee, tee, ta, rest, ta, rest. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bottom line. Here we go. Ta, 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 tee, tee, ta, rest. Tee, 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 ta, tee, tee, ta, tee, tee, ta, tee, tee, ta. Let's move on. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, top line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. Rest, ta, ta, tee, tee, ta, tee, 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 ta, ta. Rest, ta, rest. Good job. Bottom line. Here we go. 1, 2. Start with rest. Rest, rest, ta, tee, 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 ta, tee, tee, ta, ta, tee, tee, ta, tee, tee, ta, tee, tee, ta. Yeah. You guys are rocking it. Let's do one more. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, ta, 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 iti, ta, iti, ta, iti, ta, ta, rest, ta, rest, ta, ta, rest. Yeah. Last one, bottom line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Iti, ta, ta, rest, rest, iti, ta, ta, iti, ta, ta, iti, 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 ta, rest. Yeah. You guys are rock stars. Way to go. Thank you for hanging in there for our sight reading. Woo, 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 woo. Way to go. See you at the next sight reading. Have a great day.